Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy. Now I've been to Aldi's and to Morrisons, but what I've got I don't like. So I've got some of the special to come and taste test it. Give me their opinion. Come here. This is my lovely wife, Natalie. Now what I'm cooking today, say hello.
Hello.
She's very shy. What I'm cooking today, she likes. What? So, let me show you what I've got. Sweet and sour. That's how Morrisons, that was £1.50. I don't like sweet and sour. So, Natalie does. She loves sweet and sour. She's never tried these. But we thought we'd give it a go. Now, say that one's Morrisons, £1.50. And then we've got the Aldi one, 70 pence that was. 70 pence. Obviously, the Morrisons one, it's got egg fried rice. Don't know if you can see that. And the Aldi one's just got rice. But it's all in the taste. So let's open them up and have a look. Nervous, Bab? Huh? You're shy. Well, there's the Aldi one. They get quite a lot. It looks nice. And you open the Morrisons one, Bab?
This one looks better. That one's got peas.
That one looks better.
Yeah,
Oh, you don't like peas, do you?
no, but don't.
But it's all in the sauce, isn't it? Mainly, it's all in the meat and the sauce. And there's the Morrisons one. So we say we've got the Aldi one, which is plain, nothing in the rice. And then we got not the Aldi one yet, and then we got the Morrisons one. It's got peas and peppers and that in it. We say 70p, £1.50. So how do we cook them? Let's not get them mixed up. We cook them in the microwave, 6 minutes, stir and recover, 3 minutes. Peel back the film lid, 1 tablespoon of water in the rice on the Aldi. And the Morrisons one is move out of packaging, cook. Peel back the film lid, 2 tablespoons of water in the Morrisons one, halfway through. So I'll get them in the microwave. I'll get them cooked up, and now Natalie's going to have a taste. Okay, so I'll bring you back when they're done. Right then, all done. Now to be on first view, that one looks 100% better. In my opinion anyway. There's the Morrisons one. But that is battered chicken. So it says there. Now the Aldi one, just like chicken strips. But that was 70 pence. But say the Tesco one, on looking, looks a hell of a lot better. But it's all in the taste.
You said Tesco. It's Morrisons.
Oh, sorry. Morrisons one looks better. Thanks for correcting me. So it's all in the taste. So let's give it a taste test. Right then, Natalie's going to do the Aldi one first. So we've got ourselves a fork. Try the chicken first, Bab. Just the chicken. Give me your opinion.
Piece. That's tasty.
Is that tasty? Now try a bit of just the sauce.
Just the sauce. It's a bit bland.
Bit bland the sauce. Now try just a bit of the rice.
The rice is nice.
The rice nice. Now try a bit all together.
What's that bit there? What's them bits? What, water chestnuts?
Yeah, I think so. Just get it in your mouth. Don't be shy. Yes, no?
The rice is nice,
The rice nice?
but it tastes bland. There's no.
It tastes bland on its own.
taste to it. It tastes more like a vinegary bland taste.
Okay, let's try the next one then. Right, this is the Morrisons one. You'll say it looks 100 times better. Get yourself another fork. Let's try the chicken first. The chicken looks a lot better on that. It's battered, ain't it?
Yeah, chicken's better.
I'll try this one. I don't like. Yes.
That's nice. The chicken's so nice, really nice. I'm trying to get the sauce now. That's so tasty.
Is that tasty?
Yeah, try a bit of the rice. The rice is horrible.
The rice horrible.
It's like bullets. It's like bullets powdery.
Never taste.
And the rice isn't very nice. It's like
Oh, sorry.
grainy, like and it like still in your mouth now.
Yeah.
Can't
I
get
see what I
rid.
mean, yeah.
The rice isn't very nice, but the
So,
chicken and the sauce is lovely. The chicken's really nice and the sauce is lovely. But Aldi's got better rice. Aldi's a bit tasteless, but the rice is better.
tell the camera. Go on, don't be shy.
The rice on this isn't very nice, but that Aldi rice is nice. But the chicken and the sauce taste better with this one.
So which one would you pick out the two? You have to pick one.
I'll have to pick one.
Yeah. That was £1.50 and that was 70 pence. So which one would you pick? Pick one. Aldi's or Morrisons?
I think I'd go with this one.
Morrisons one. For one, is it worth the extra
No, it's not.
80 pence?
No, it's not actually. No. Aldi then.
Aldi?
Yeah.
For the price?
For the price, Aldi.
But that one tastes the better.
But that one
But Morrisons tastes the better.
But the rice isn't very nice.
Right.
But for price, I'd go with Aldi.
Aldi. For the price.
Yeah.
Well, there you go then. That's Natalie's review. Should go for Aldi. I don't know because I don't like the stuff. Well, anyway, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, leave us a comment. Till the next time, see you later. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Wave. Bye-bye. I've just turned the camera off and she's ate the lot. She's ate all the chicken off both plates. Believe that? She absolutely loves sweet and sour. See you later. Bye-bye.